Hello, 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 good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Anytime you come across this video, please don't fail to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that anytime I come on live on YouTube, you will get notified, okay? Thank you so much, and please I will be taking a little I want to draw this short video because I have a topic that I wanted to bring this evening, but because of the new developments, the latest, because every day it's in the worse, so I have to change my topic this evening. Okay, so please, I came here this evening to beg all of us to encourage, especially not like those that is in Africa, Europe, it's sure the whole wide world. Okay, please obey the laws, stay at home, sanitize, or wash your hand with soap and warm water, and stay safe. Save yourself and save others, because so many people are saying this as because the government, the law say that the government said that we should stay at home. They are seeing it as an punishment. Me, I don't see it like that, because I don't know how you're looking at it. It's not a punishment, my people. Please, it's not. They are saving your life. They are trying to save your life. We are talking about life here. You know how many thousands how many people that they are losing their life on daily basis. People will be saying they lose their life on daily basis. Watch news are big. They watch news, because I watched news yesterday, today. I was like, I'm scared. When you think, when you're thinking that this thing is a joke, and it will go, it will go the way it came, and it's getting serious by the day. It's getting serious by the day. Many numbers of people are dying, losing their lives, and they are saying, you're still alive. You are not the hospital bed, the hospital, they use machine, they breathe. You stay at home, you're seeing it as a punishment. It's not a punishment, my brothers and my sister. Please stay at home. Stay at home. Save yourself and save others, because that's the only way that you can stop, that we can stop the spreading. Because imagine I say you get I get I come your house, or if everybody when they there don't get this is not be the virus when you be say, not be the disease when you be say, then they get through sexual intercourse, like you have said. No, hand sneeze, you will sneeze like this, and that one they do on a daily basis. Everybody they do one, but now doing it is a crime. If you do another, obviously you get virus. You know, if you cough, if you sneeze, if you do those things again, because it's like everybody has it. It's like everybody gets I beg, many people they die. The latest one now here, if you are in Spain, you are in Europe here, in Spain, especially, because I know the one here, the law that they just put now. Before, people they go work, some private company and all, they go work. Now they say me all of them stop. Apart, except the supermarkets where you can go and shop for food. Because that one will be the last thing when if they close. I pray it should not go. It should not go to that extent. If they should say that some supermarket should close, then be say it don't finish, no hope again. That's the only place you can go now and buy food. Because even if you buy everyone ahead, put for us, you will still need one or two things when you go buy for supermarket. You understand? But now they say the people be say they go work, private work and all of that. Some people be say they go, but now they say everybody should stop, apart from the pharmacies, supermarkets, you know, those one made the all those one feed day. But all the workers should stop. No excuse now. All the workers should stop. You see, it's getting serious by the day. So this is the time now that we have, you and I, you, everybody have to go closer to God now. Hold God strong. Don't be doing what they do for church. They show clothes. They, you know. No. Now between you and God now. It's not between you and God, my brothers and my sister. Please, we have to pray, recite, pray to God. We have to join faith, have to join our soul and everything in us together to pray, to make sure that this virus go the way it came. You know, and to all the doctors around the world, the nurses, may God bless you guys. I can't love you guys less. I can't love you guys enough. Like, I love you. I wish I can just open my heart for you guys to see and see the love and the love and the love I have for you guys. You know, it's so big. Because you guys are doing a wonderful job. You guys are risking your life for me to be safe, for others to be safe. You guys are to, may God bless and protect you guys. May God give you the wisdom, the knowledge to find the cure quickly to this deadly disease, so that the world can go back to normal. Now everything is shut down. No bars, no boss again. Everything is shut down. Everything is shut down. No vaga, nothing. Everything shut down. Like my own is shut down for now. No bars, no boss. There's no bars, there's no boss. My people, I have a topic that I wanted to bring today, but because of this, for now, I'll be emphasizing on this. Please, that people should please stay safe. It kills old, young babies. They kill children. You know, nobody will know the key. Imagine say you be family man, you carry and come, you give everybody, you give your wife, you give your children. You understand? So that's why they say everybody should stay at home now. Stay safe, wash your hands constantly, sanitize. Please. Me, I'm very grateful to God that when I wake up every morning, like is a testimony, is a big testimony. You know, because now people they sick bed. Now people they use machine, they breathe. It's not being alive. Even they say that I should stay inside this house for 5 months. I will stay here. I will be here. And thank God we are here and everybody have internet at home. We can see, talk, we can see, even if we are not seeing each other, we can see talk through this social media. We keep ourselves busy. It will be okay, no. Because imagine say this social media, not the internet, not there for you to. That one, they worst. Because African people are the fee for them. When they don't get money to subscribe. Imagine you did this with the complaint. What if they complain? What is your problem? What is your problem? You want to die? Except say you won't die. If you go outside, go take camo. Yes. Except say you won't die. If you go out, contact them. Because now the same everybody stay inside house. It's not a punishment, my people. Not be punishment. They are trying to save your life, oh. They are trying to save my life. Because the numbers of people watch news, oh. This will not be say fake news or they carry rumor. Watch news yourself, oh. Go to all the mediums that you can watch the real news, not the fake news on Facebook. No, be those ones. The real news, watch it. And fear will enter you. You will fear God. Yes. You will fear God. You will not say, God now still God. People, they die every day, every minute, every second. And we sit there with a breathe on our own. We feed a shop. Go. I like it like this, so. And I'm praying for the whole thing to get finished so that we'll go back to our normal life. It's not easy for us to be inside now. It's not be easy task, but we don't have choice. We have to bear it. Okay? We have to bear it. And it will only take, we should pray that it should take a little bit of a little bit, like it should take just small time. Because if you long part this one, now people are complaining. Imagine say, imagine say this thing reach July, August, you know. So we have to join faith together and pray, make it quick finish. Now that one go be the main thing we need to concentrate on. Not be to go out, go work or no. Now head when they life, now they work. People when they die, now when they die, as I talk to you now, people they give up for hospital. No space. Spain, Europe, we be say they get big hospital, they get everything, they get things to take care of people. Now they say no space for hospital. It isn't a joke. It's not a yoke. It's not a yoke. It's not a yoke. Please sanitize, wash your hands, clean with soap, and use something that you can use to after washing your hand. The Spanish call it desinfectante. You can rub it on your hand. You know, especially when you have a family, you're coming back from outside, you go outside to shop. Make sure you wash your hands first, because if you carry, everybody in that family will take it too. Please, let's stop the spreading. Let's stop the numbers of people that is dying. Every day people are dying. Those people, they know God. They believe God. They know God past you. It's not that we are. That is why each day I wake up, I thank God. Because it's not that I'm not me good. No, not be me good past. I not good past when you say they died yesterday, they died today. I not good past them. You understand? So we need to join faith together and pray and hope that this whole thing should end as soon as possible, so that we all go back to our normal life. Okay? Thank you. And my prayer, my support, my gratitude to all the doctors and the nurses. I love you guys. Thank you. Keep on the good work. The good Lord will bless and protect you all. God bless you. I love you all. My regards to you and your family all over the world. You guys are doing a great job. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you guys. You guys are too much. Because it's not easy. It's not like, you know what it means to risk your own life to make sure that the world, the rest people get saved. You know, it's not easy. So the thing that we're supposed to be doing now is to send our love to them, to show them that we care, to show them that we support, we are behind them, we are sending our love to them. Say we care, we appreciate all their efforts, all the things we say that they do. Because they are trying, the scientists, they try to find a cure to this pandemic, to this deadly disease. It's not easy. Or they are begging you now for you to stay inside, to stop it, to stop the spreading, because space is not the hospital again. That's why many people, they die way. Stay at home. Stay at home. Black people, especially my black people, my African people, stay at home. The other day, I see one video that it wasn't on last week or this week. Last week or today is... No, it's this week. Oh, I saw the video. That one black in Italy, they were doing celebrating one useless marriage. I don't understand you guys at all. You think it's a joke? You think white people, when people say they like money, they'll feel shut down everything. They'll shut everything down because no, to stop, they are tax paying. They don't use a joke here. Tax paying is not a joke here. Tax, you must pay your tax. They don't joke with it at all. And everything now is shut down. Do you think it's a joke? Why you guys play too much, oh? Until they take things light, until they take things one I say the thing they serious now they take and say no I take and lightly. Why? Una like money pass white people, una like marriage pass white people. No. But they know how effective, how strong, how deadly is this disease. No, you una see the feel say na strong pass. Odunga, na the form Odunga. Na strong. No problem. Make una no stay at home, please stay at home. Stay safe. And be sending your prayers, your love to the doctors. Pray that God should empower them. That God should give them the wisdom, not be the useless pastors. When we say they don't even see road, they don't see say this virus they come. Stupid money pastors them. Not those ones. I not fair even like them before. Because before this virus come, I know say all of them are fake. I know before all of them are fake. This virus now can't disgrace all of them. No, not be God call now. Don't show say not be God call now. So you guys should pray for the right people. Pray for the doctors, for the nurses, for the science that are looking, that God should give them wisdom, the knowledge to find the right cure for this. Okay? Please. Within your hearts, any way you can send it to them, please. And this is my own way of sending my love to them, to know that I really appreciate them. I love you for the depth of my heart. I'm doing it from the depth. I'm not just doing the video because I want. No. I have a topic that I wanted to do today, but because of the news and now they shut everywhere, like nobody, no movement, nothing now. It's getting serious by the day, so it's not a joke. It's not a joke. The number of people that if you watch news now, you will fear me. I dey fear. You know, you will fear. You will fear God. So that's why I have to change my topic. I have to change it. I have no choice than to change it. I have a topic that I wanted to. That the topic will be say I get when I want to talk, but I need to change them. You know, to tell the people to make sure that we keep calm. I know it's not easy, but we have no choice for now. Let's obey and follow by the rules. And the Lord will see all of us through. And we will overcome. This is just a temptation. We will overcome it. Okay? Thank you so much. Love you. God bless you all. Stay safe. Love you. All the daughters around the world, I love you guys. God will bless you. God will empower you guys. Protect you. Mwah. Love you. Bye.